Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Java runtime environment not found error in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. You just need to open up Chrome, search for Java JRE, click on the first Java site. In here you just need to scroll down. You just need to select Windows offline 64-bit and it will be started downloading. After getting download done, you just need to click on it and install it. After getting installed done, you just need to close off here. Go to File Explorer and go to this PC, local disk C, program files and find Java. Just double click on it and JRE folder, bin folder. In here you just need to copy the file path guys. Just copy the file path over here. Right click on it and copy it. After copying the path, just close off here. Go to search menu and type advanced system setting. Comes up view advanced system settings. Click on open it. In advanced tab, you just need to select environment variables. Under the system variables, you just need to find the path, and after finding it, you just need to select edit and select new and paste the file path we copied before. And now after pasting it, click on OK to save changes. Click on OK to save changes. Click on OK. Now you need to restart your PC, and after restarting your PC you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope this solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.